Hello folks, Junkie Rock 13 here. You could find me everything vaping related on my YouTube channel, on the forums, on the vaping networks. Junkie Rock 13. My real name is Ross Sanders, and I'm here today bringing you a little review. I've had this device for a while now. It is the GGTB. It is the Golden Greek telescopic battery. It's a fully mechanical device with the bottom side button, and we're going to talk about a little bit about that. And I have the results for the contest giveaway on the VV tank. So let's get started, and at the end of the video we'll have the results of that contest. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video. God, I keep on hitting this watch on the table. See what I got. Alrighty, here is the GGTB, nice and close up view. Alright, just pick this up so I can get a nice view on this. Now you notice right here, now this is deeply engraved. This is the GG wings, and I believe that's a PV in there. It really can, it looks exactly like maybe a GGTS or a TB, but that's the GG wings, and then it says the GG here. Like I said, this is very deeply engraved, so it's not going to rub off. But I will say, this is a really, really big fingerprint magnet. As I turn it, in quotations, it says by MEO, and turn it on the other side. It says, to my friend. Can you see that? I know the lighting is bad, so I'm going to have to move it around. Okay, now this is not as deep as the other ones, but I've polished this and it's not coming off at all. Now this is the stainless steel version. I believe there were aluminum and nickel. I'm not 100% sure about that, but this is the stainless steel. Stainless steel connector top, stainless steel bottom, and this is the GGTB switch. Let's get right into the top connector piece. I'm going to take it off. Now you'll notice right here, it's a 510 connection. Very nice threads in there. There's a crisscross air channel pattern. When you get a tank that's going to act flush or go flush right up against this, you will still be able to get air in there. So I know some of the devices, like my Provari, when I put a tank on there, sometimes I actually have to put an adapter on there to get some airflow in there. But this you're not going to have to worry about because you have these little channels. Very nice. A deep dripping well if you're a dripper. The threading on this is very nice. There's your little Delrin piece in there to act as a insulator for the positive post. So there's the top connector piece. I'm sweaty. It's hot in here today. Alright, I'm just going to take out this battery. And I'm going to show you the inside of the tube. Let me just take off the bottom piece. Alright, so here is the bottom portion. Now this is what makes the GG mechanical switch work. Now if you notice, here is the spring to hold the battery in place. Now you say, why are we going to have this much space inside here when the battery should be going all the way up against the end to conserve space, right? Correct. Well, this is what makes the GG switch activate and work. If you notice the switch being right here, and the post being right here. Okay, so this going in there is going to be, when it's in there, when you press to activate the switch, it's going to actually come in contact with this post. Now, for everybody that understands electronics and how it actually fires, this makes the current complete. Okay, with the little Delrin piece in there, having the negative push it up against this, it does not complete the circuit and does not have negative current going through the tube. Now, you will have negative current going through the tube once the piece, the switch in there, makes connection with this post. So once you hit that, then the current will actually run up the tube, and on the outside of here, which are the threading, will make the complete current and fire the device. But as in like other devices, they usually, the current runs right through the tube, and that's how it's fired. A lot of mechanical devices have been working on the side switch, or vendors, modders have been working on the side switch, and it's been pretty difficult. I assume, I haven't tried myself, but this device, design has been pretty good. Now, there has been a few issues. You have to keep these contact points right in there very clean. So sometimes, once in a while, I'll take the switch apart and just clean that contact in there where it comes in contact with this post. And then I'll clean this post also. Keep this nice and clean. Make sure the spring down here is nice and clean. Make sure this contact point is nice and clean. If that's all nice and clean, then you will have no problems with misfiring. So the switch also has a locking mechanism, a little knurled section. I hope you can, okay, focus, okay? You see how that nice and turns? When it's all the way up, the button does not fire. All the way down, and that will make contact with the switch. Okay, let me try to put this in there, and maybe you can see the switch actually working. I hope you're understanding of how this switch works. Okay, do you see the switch down at the bottom there? Okay, you see where it touches? Okay, now when the battery is in there, picture the battery in there, and picture the connector part on here, and when you make the button, boom, fires. Let go, releases, fires. Okay? I hope people understand that. Some of you do not know how that works, but I like to keep people informed on how it works. Now, the GGTB is sold in pieces. Okay, I don't know, in America you have to buy it in pieces. The tube, the end part, the switch, the 510 connector, or the 901 connector. Did I say 910 earlier? I think I did. It's the 901. And the other piece here, which is the telescopic piece. Now, I believe this is Delrin, and then there's what I think is brass, and this acts so you can use different batteries. Very nice idea. So with this all the way, excuse me, all the way pulled out, you can use batteries like the 16340. Now, I don't use these batteries, these truss fires. I'm showing you this for purpose of the video, but we can put this in all the way down to the bottom, and you notice that there's a big space there, and here's a space filler. Okay, bring it all, put it in there. That's not going to be big enough, so pull it out more. Let's see how that works. Okay, And then with this going on, okay, come on. Alright, there we go. So there you go. It's a little lighter, and you can use different batteries. It's not a telescopic tube, but it has a telescopic piece. Very nice. Now you can use the 14500. What other batteries? The 15, the CR123s, but I think them are only 3 volts, I believe. But the problem with this device is, not a problem, but one of the limitations with this device is you cannot use the 18350, the 18650, the 18490, or the 18500. You have to use something under the 1700 series. Now this is the 17670. Let me set this down so you can see it. This is the 17670 by AW. It's a protective IC battery, which is basically what I am led to believe is an IMR, but with protection. These are the batteries I tend to use in the GGTB, and it fits in very nice. Now bottom side negative down, and it fits really nice and snug in there, and there it goes. Now what I have been using this device with, but I am actually going to use the DID on it today, is the Penelope. I'm going to be doing a video on the Penelope, but I just want to show you how it looks with the Penelope. The GGTB with the Penelope is a very sharp looking device. Very sexy. Okay? Alright, so that's what I have on the close-up on the GGTB. Let's get to talking how it vapes and get to them contest results. Okay, so there you have it. The Golden Greek telescopic battery up close, also known as the GGTB. What can I say about the GGTB? It is a very sturdy, hefty device. It is a very quality device. Quality made. The machining is nice. The engraving is very nice. It's not going to wear out. The only one that may wear out is where it says "to my friend." It's not as deep as the GG and the by Emeo. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Emeo. It's IMEO. I don't even know how to say his whole name. Emeo this. I'm going to murder it, so I'm not even going to try it. But let's talk about this. It is a very sleek, when you're going out to a wedding, or you're wearing a tuxedo for some reason, a ball or whatever, this is the kind of device you want to carry around. It's not thick and big like the 18650 devices. Nice and thin. The bottom button, if you use it with your pinky, looks kind of cool. I don't use the button like that. I kind of use it in my palm. So I put the button right in my palm there. Hold it like that. That's how I feel comfortable with it. I like the GGTB. I really do. It looks very nice with the DID. The lines are perfect. Let me show you. With the Penelope also. Very nice with the Penelope. Now the Penelope don't have no juice, so I'm not going to be able to vape it right now. Actually, let me see if it does have a little bit in it. Yep. My dog's in the other room making noise on the chair. Sorry about that. I love the GGTB. I really do. It's a device that I like taking out when I'm going out to dinner, going to the bars with my friends. I don't go to the bars, but when I do, I would take this. Very classy, solid made, nice. I like it. Now the issue about getting a GGTB, They are only sold in pieces at Clouds of Vapor. On the classifieds, you may be able to find complete units. This is the telescopic part. Now, if you're only going to be using the 17670 battery, you won't be needing this. The prices I'm not sure about. I believe the tube is like $60. A few months ago they were half that. I don't want to quote that, but I believe I paid less than that. The end piece and the top piece are sold separate in the switch also. So you're going to have to look over at Clouds of Vapor and see when they're in a stock and get on the notify me list. So check it out over there. But me personally, I like the GGTB. So let me show you one more vape on it. Switch fire is nice. Nice vapor, but that's the did. As long as them connectors are nice and clean on that switch, you're not going to have no issues with it. Well, that's all I have. So let's talk about the contest results. Just like I've done before, I'm going to leave this and I'm going to do it on the monitor, and I'm going to put all the names in a random generator, and when I hit generate, the one that comes out on top is going to be the winner. Now the winner needs to contact me. I'm not going to contact them. They will have to contact me via email. My email address will be down below, so contact me with your shipping information, and I will get that VV tank, the piece of stainless steel mesh, and what was it? Oh, and some wire with that to make your own Genesis device if you choose to. If not, you could use it the way the VV tank comes from the factory. But so there's the contest results right after this, and I thank everybody for watching. Thank you for all subscribing. I'm going to be doing a lot more contests soon, so stay tuned and make sure you get subscribed. And don't forget, Saturday nights from 8 to 10 on Elixir TV, I do a show called Gratefully Dedicated Vaping. That's Eastern time. So see you there. Keep vaping, and remember to stick around for these contest results. Good luck, and for the people that haven't won, make sure you join the next ones. Take care, everybody. Okay, folks, so here we go with the drawing for the VV tank. And I'm using random.org for the randomizer. And these are all the names that entered the giveaway. Okay. And what I'm going to do is when I hit randomize, the number 1 place will be the winner of the giveaway. So good luck to everybody, and let's see what we got. Alrighty, there you have the winner, V Maxer 93. V Maxer 93 is the winner, so please get in contact with me via email, and I will get that package sent right out to you as soon as possible. Thank you all for entering, and stay tuned because there will be more giveaways soon. Vape on, everybody.